Hello viewers, I'm Yusuf. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information. This is episode number 108, and in this episode, I will talk about the Web 1.0 and its characteristics. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this video, I will talk about the two main points about the Web 1.0. Number one, what is Web 1.0? And number two, what are the characteristics of Web 1.0? Point number one, what is Web 1.0? Web 1.0 is retronomy referring to the first stage of the World Wide Web evolution from roughly for the period of 1991 to 2004. According to the Krishnamurthy and Cormode 2014, content creators were very few in Web 1.0, with the vast majority of use simply acting as a consumer of content. Personal web pages were common, consisting mainly of static page hosted on ISP run web servers on free web hosting service. Point number two, what are the characteristics of Web 1.0? There are 7 main characteristics of Web 1.0. Number one, static page. Web pages are available on the Web 1.0 in static condition. Point number two, content on web server. Content provided from the server file system rather than the Relational Database Management System (RDBM). Number three, web application. Web pages built using server-side includes Common Gateway Interface (CGI) instead of web application written in a dynamic programming language such as Perl, PHP, Python, or Ruby. Number four, GIF and tables. The using of HTML 3.2 era elements such as frame and tables to position and align the element on page. These were often used in a combination with spacer GIF. Point number 5, online guest book. Online guest books are available on Web 1.0. Point number 6, GIF buttons. GIF buttons graphic typically 88 by 31 pixel in size, promoting web browser, operating system, text editor, and various other products available on Web 1.0. Point number 7, email supports. HTML forms sent via email. Support for server-side scripting was rare on shared server during this period. Provide a feedback mechanism for website visitors, so forms were used. Here I conclude the episode number 108, Web 1.0. In this episode, I will discuss 2 points. Number one, what is Web 1.0? And number two, what are the characteristics of web? These are the channels through mail, Twitter, YouTube, ResearchGate, and WhatsApp. Through this, you can connect with me. Stay connected. Thanks for watching till the end. Allah Hafiz.